Hello everyone, I'm Harder D, and we're back playing Deadspace. Last time we completed Chapter 2, we moved on to Chapter 3, we apparently have to repair a fuel system. We upgraded my machine gun, so that's awesome. I already don't like this guy sitting here, so I'm just gonna... Oh! I'm sorry, buddy! I didn't mean it! I just wanted you out of the door. I mean, out of the room. Alright. Maybe I can't get him under, so I'll just stomp him. I love that my stomp is powerful enough to, like, rip a human apart. Like, can we just address that? That my character has so much anger that he's just all like, I will destroy your leg. Oh, whoa. No. You can fuck right off. I don't know where you went, but I don't like it. I think you creep up on me. Oh, why is everything creepy? What do we got here? What's that? That is... What is that, a spine or something? I don't know, I don't think there's that big of creatures here. Though, I mean, I'm not an expert, so... For all I know, maybe there is that big of creatures. I don't hear that. Oh, more ammo. More ammo's always good. Yeah. Ooh, money. Got a little money. Hey, is that ever whispering? Busy. Trying to... Oh. Where is it? What is it? I heard it. Come on. Where are you? I'm gonna blast the shit out of you. An upgraded machine gun to not murder. Does this just lead me back? Oh, hey. No, look, it doesn't lead me back. Oh, there's a health pack. Sweet. Is that it? Alright, that seems to be it. And that's the way I came. Okay. Alright, just making sure I'm exploring everything, because you don't want to miss anything. Ammo is very... Oh shit, where are you? Ah! Yeah! Anybody else? Huh? No? Alright then. Let that be a lesson to you. Screw with me! Oh, hello there. I'll take that, please. Come on. Pull it. Pull it. Boop. There we go. Sorry, buddy. This ride's for one. So, off you go. If the monsters want him, they're gonna have to dive down together. I'm getting a lot of the pulse, the other ammo. But I use this weapon more. I wonder if I remove it, if it's gonna... Oh, what's this? Oh, pull down.
Refueling sequence activated.
Oh, what do we have here? Oh, so I'm gonna be refueling it. Okay. So, weird question. If it can refuel itself, why not just make all the fuel things connect? Oh! Like, why not just make all the fuel things connect? Oh, no. Not this. They're the worst. Man, I hate those things. Even this guy is all like, those things. So like, when you're like trying to go out and your mom's all like, oh, make sure to bring your little sibling. It's just all like, oh, they're shitty and annoying. Like literally, you can literally spit in your own face and it'll be more fun than being with them. What's this one? Oh, what? Oh, that's my safe room! You butthole! Come on, that's my safe room. Box over here. Oh, take over guys in my area? No, this is my safe area. Take it. Nothing else went back here, did it? Thinks it can take my stuff away. How's my inventory looking? Oh, man, I definitely need to empty my inventory. It's a good thing that it, you know, gave me a shortcut to my shop. Definitely need to get rid of some of this shit. Flame fuel. Yeah, I picked that up while I was listening to the message. Not super important. Now let's move some plasma energy. Some of the pulse rounds. No, I'll keep 100. I'll move those. Okay. Why is the music still going crazy? Unless there's a hidden enemy that I don't know about. Phew! Oh, bless me. Alright. So we're gonna go back this way. That door's locked. This just led me in a circle. But there was that thing that I just pulled forward. I think it's a lift. Yeah, like this thing. Oh, I was right. Sweet. That's a giant refueling thing. Okay, so it does have extra fuel. That tank probably itself was, I don't like this. Oh, I really don't like that. Come on! Come at me! Where are you? I will destroy you and your family. Explosives! Aha! That's right. Ugh. Don't mess with an engineer. Assholes. Why can't I have a cool crotch camera like Leon does in Resident Evil 4? Instead of like whenever I have to like hold my gun up, because I can't run and aim at the same time, but I need it for my flashlight. Rub my nose some more. Oh. Why am I hearing people screaming? I don't like that. Make it stop.
Never should have let him live. Never should have let him live.
Shut it, Danvers. Shut it. Engineering log. Temple reporting. Someone has shut off the fuel lines to the primary engine and damaged the valves in the process.
Oh.
They need to be repaired before I can reopen them, but we're running out of time. With the engine offline, orbit decay will begin in less than 10 hours. I just can't understand who would do this. If it's one of those crazy unitologist bastards, I'll break their neck.
Henderson said they were coming. We never should have let him live.
Shut up, Danvers! Help me with the tools. Temple out.
Oh, that makes sense. You thought you were gonna try to back attack me? Nope. So it wasn't the fact that the ship was shitty, it's the fact that someone's messing with the ship. Alright. Hey, whispers. Shush. Whoa, what's that? Ew, I think it's just a person. How do you get back there? I don't know. Oh, that... Oh. Are any of you bad guys? Searching your hands, searching your hands. Okay, you all seem to be pieces. But I'm not gonna take chances. Ah! Be in pieces. Because there's like, if they're coming at me, I'd rather them be in pieces than, you know, full body. There we go. Okay. Okay, and... What's that over there? Oh, but there's a save station. You know how much I love my saves? Yes, please. Alright, so I've been wondering this. So there's a spiky thing here. I wonder if I could shoot someone with it. Like, you know, just... There we go. I'm just going to leave it right there, just in case. So I feel like I'm going to go do something, and it's going to activate something else. It's going to suck. What do we got here? Schematic for a ripper. What the poop is a ripper? I don't know, but... Sounds like it's going to be awesome.
Refueling sequence activated. Sufficient fuel to fire primary engine.
Oh, that's awesome.
Whatever you did, it's working, Isaac. I have a fuel reading. It's only a quarter full, but that's enough to restore orbit once you bring the engines online. What the hell? False alarm. Thought I saw something.
Alright, firing that thing I don't think did much. What is that? Oh. I do love machine guns. Like, in a lot of games, it's like, that if you get, like, a good quality machine gun in a game, then it's all like, that's the weapon I'm gonna go with. I'm not, if you watch a lot of their videos, I'm not super great with aiming, so really, I'm probably gonna stick with the, what's that? Are you? No, you. So yeah, I'm probably gonna stick with something that I don't really have to aim well with. That's the reason why I like shotguns. Shotguns are magic. Because, like, you don't really need to aim. Just point it in their general face direction, and... No, my explosive! Oh, I was saving that. At least that's being refueled. Or it refueled? Exactly sure. Oh, I don't like big sounds. Shush. Oh yeah, there's a... I don't want to deal with you. You coming back? Huh? Where'd you go? I have a lot of bullets with your name on it. And I mean a lot of bullets. Where'd he go? Alright, fine. If he doesn't want to be here, then I'm not gonna wait for him. In here? I don't know where he ran off to, but that's his problem now. Is he in here? No? No? No guy? Alright. Alright, well that was pretty simple. Okay, so now that we're back, let's obviously we run to the store as always. And let's get rid of some stuff. So there's a ripper. Remote industrial saw. That sounds handy. But for right now, we'll just leave it. Okay, so that. Stasis pack. I don't need stasis pack. More plasma energy. Pulse rounds down to 84. I think I should still be good. I mean, I got 175 in the barrel. I mean, in the clip. A little bit of extra there. Well, I have a lot of extra stuff in here. Alright. So I should be good. Ooh, maybe I should grab some more, whatchamacallits. Because, yeah, I can get 3 more, power nodes, in which that case I can upgrade some stuff. There we go. Sweet. And it's just down here, so let's quickly run down here. Upgrading is very important. Any bad guys? You a bad guy? No, you're already dead. Any bad guys over here? Wait, what was that? Stop making noises. I'm trying to on the bench. Alrighty. Pulse rifle. Okay, so... Oh, see, we can go... 1, 2, 3. There we go. Gun is fully upgraded. And let's go for the rig, because the rig's my HP. Ooh, air. I feel like air's going to be important. There we go. Now my gun is at maximum. That's handy. Oh yeah, now come at me. My gun is here to mess you up. Da-da-da-da. Run back up here. Then we save, and then we continue. Come on. Come on. Open the door. Well, that took forever. Alright, no bad guys? No. Alright, perfect. Let's save. Because I can't go any further that way, and I already went across, so... that must mean that there's a different way to go, so... look that. Nope, that's locked. And... oh! Elevator! Oh, good, there's an elevator. So that means... there we go. Down, please. Whoa, whoa. I like that there's two vents in the elevator, especially when enemies can pop out of vents. Alright, doesn't look like anything's up here. Anything over here? Nope. Okay, we're good. Ooh, lockers. I don't even know what that was. That was a small air cap. Oh, maybe we're gonna come to a airless area soon. See, that's the reason why it's good to upgrade your air. Med pack. Audio
This is
log.
Temple. Now the centrifuge is offline. We've got 4 trillion tons of rock hanging off our ass, and without that centrifuge to balance the ship, the gravity tethers will pull us straight down to the colony.
Oh, another bench.
I'm heading in there now to see if I can fix it.
Oh, hey, some mine racks. Excuse me, I want those. There we go. Jeez, the Ishimura just has a shit ton of problems. And there's a bench down here just in case I needed it, but I already went with the other one. So, if someone is truly sabotaging the ship, they definitely know what they're doing. So, that's only to say that it's someone in there. Alright, what's this? Decon chamber. Activate decon system. What's a decon? Oh, it's locking me in. Uh-oh. I don't like it when something is telling me that I have to activate it.
Decontamination sequence activated.
Oh,
Please stand by.
decontamination. What? Is that really necessary? Oh, shit! You guys can't get in! Oh, man. Oh, shit! Oh, forget again. Come on. Where are you at? Ah, I don't like this! Where are they? I don't like the waiting. Where are you? Okay, that guy's dead. Another one? Damn, I hate those things. Isaac, you missed. You missed again. There.
Decontamination sequence complete. Thank you for your patience.
What exactly are you deeming a success? Because now there's infected things inside here. Sure, they're not alive infected things, but they're still infected. Like, wouldn't it detect the bioorganics regardless? Oh well. Man, that was not fun. Lock me into a small room where they can get me. Oh, come on. Okay. I thought it was just like all these. Let's go this way. I can't. Stop moving. What do we have here? Credits and power down. What's this? Ew, it's another hole. Ah, this one's fleshy. Gross. How did the ship get fleshy? That's the biggest question, I think. Oh, there's another weird butthole in the ship. Oh, that one's enticing me by having a bunch of good items. gonna grab that. Anything behind me? Okay, nothing's behind me. I don't like these. I don't like that they're here. I don't like that they're all like, oh, yeah, just, you know, don't mind us. We're just gonna be here all creepy like. Fancy. Ah, safe station. And what is that? Medium air can. Oh, so this is probably the zero air area. I'm gonna grab it. What? Alright, let's do some space. Alright, let's go for a spacewalk.
Exiting zero gravity.
Oh, no gravity too.
Entering zero gravity.
Okay, I thought it was an air thing, but I guess it's gravity. Hey! Shut your face! Not sure where you are. Oh, there you are. Nope! I am very much okay not dealing with you. No lie. Just die. Ah! Why am I at a weird angle now? Don't be at weird angles. Where'd it go? Is that it? Ah! There it is. Oh, I really don't like those guys. They're super hard to hit. Like, never mind when I was trying to cut them before. Ooh, they were different. That's probably the dead one. That's why. Alright. Oh, I was trying to smack that. Oh, hey, look, there's a buddy there. Oh, there's a dead buddy there. Oh. Sorry, bud. I'd save you, but, you're already dead. There we go. Got here some more money. Any other of these boxes drifting around? Is that a box? Is that a box? What is this? That is a case random part. Okay, that's not. Wait, if there's a random part, isn't that necessary? What exactly is this? Oh yeah, I'm still on the roof. I forgot about that. Alright, oh, what's that? This is a box. Alright, so, whoop, yeah, jump over here. Whoop, there we go. Recharge this. Alright, this doesn't look too bad. What's this? Centrifuge. Power clutches must be engaged to start centrifuge. Oh, well, fine. Alright, what's this thing? Oh, I fell. Okay. So, in you go. Whoa! Ah, okay. Probably happened. Oh! Piss off. That's what I say. Asshole. Great, now I know what to use again. Boop. There we go. Now let's see.
Generator module attached.
Do it. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. I'm like the greatest spaceman. And I'm just spinning around. What's that? Is that it? So apparently there's going to be like an area in this. I mean, this place is going to soon have lack of air. As there seems to be like air things all around me. There we go.
Generator module attached.
There we go.
Centrifuge power restored.
Awesome. Is there an asshole coming at me now? Yeah, there is. Where are you at? I got a bomb just for you. There you go. Oh man, that was satisfying. What's this? Oh, I can't go up the elevator. Probably because I'm in spacewalk mode. Alright. Whee! And boop! There we go. And onto the floor. Boop. There we go. Alright, first things first, let's refill my stasis, because stasis allows me to slow the crap out of things, which is super important. Alright. Now, let's start on the power.
Centrifuge activated. Re-establishing balance with planetary core.
Oh, look, we have gravity.
Entering vacuum.
Wait, what? Why? Well, that's no good. Great, now I'm entering a vacuum. Lame. Whoa, whoa, buddy. Poor thing.
You're doing great, Isaac.
That's
Centrifuge and gyros are both 100% and stabilized. Now get out of there and focus on the engine. I don't know how much time we have left.
So I guess I have to go this way. Oh, whoa, whoa, hey, buddy. I appreciate your support, but, sorry, but I'm not looking for new friends right now. Whee! Okay. And that's probably why there's an air filter thing in here. There we go. Restore my air. Get a nice big breath. Reload my gun. I can't hear anything. Alright, and there we go. Oh, don't run to where I'm going. There you go. Just run up and, like, shoot him point blank. Alright, there we go. Alright, up this. Whee! Alright, is anyone out here trying to kill me? No, we're all good. Centrifuge is online. Great. Not sure what a centrifuge is, but apparently it's important. Phew! Oh, bless me. There we go. Close, please. Ooh, energy.
Exiting vacuum.
Oh, so it definitely was a good thing that I upgraded my my air cannon. There we go. Yeah, itchy nose. Well, that wasn't so bad. Centrifuge is online. Oh, what the hell? Oh no! Oh no 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 no! Oh no 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 no! Oh, what the poop? What the poop? Yep. I don't know what that was, but that sucked. Did it come out of the butthole? I think that shit came out of the butthole. Well, it's a good thing that I was able to shoot the crap out of it. I mean, just like every other thing in this game, it's all like, if there's a giant glowy thing, that's probably the thing you're hitting. Alright. Well, that wasn't too bad. Oh, I don't want to go back in that room. Fine, let's go back into this room. What was that? Hey, is this thing offline? I'm gonna have to do this again? Alright. Thought I heard a noise. What a dick just comes up and surprises me around the corner. Alright, back to elevator. Alright. Ooh, excuse me.
Isaac!
Yep.
Can you hear me?
Hello.
It's Kendra.
No.
They attacked me, I ran for it, and Hammond just... he just disappeared.
Kendra? Where are you?
Nice to see you're alive and well, Hammond. I've barricaded myself in the computer core. I can hear them moving outside, but I don't think they know I'm in here. I can log into everything from here. I hacked the route and found some reports from the colony. Even before they cracked the planet, the colonists were experiencing widespread dementia. It seems to be related to some artifact they found on the planet. Something called the marker. I'll keep looking. I've got your location and I'm going to unlock the door to fuel storage. You can get to the engine chamber from there.
Why do I need to go? Didn't I just restore the engine? I mean, the centrifuge thing, I restored that. Ugh, alright. Alright, well, that's it for this episode. We're going to continue on next time, so let me just itch my nose. Yeah, I always have an itchy nose. It's like my Achilles heel, just the itchy nose instead. Anyways, so yeah, I'm looking forward to continuing it. Let's see if we can get the ship up and running and possibly drive it home. So anyways, you guys have yourself a great evening, and bye-bye!